Hi guys, and welcome to our video today. Today, well, I am in Arizona for a conference, and as you can see, I sure hope that there's no rattlesnakes around here. I think this is exactly where they would be. But anyway, we have a very nice patient today from our men's homeless shelter where my nurse Deb and I volunteer once a month. And if you listen, he kind of sounds like Morgan Freeman, I think. But he was a very nice gentleman, and I hope that you enjoy our video today. Okay.
You got the right tools.
We do. That's why we come, because we know you don't.
No. I bought some large clips, but they wouldn't fit it because...
On that big thick nail, yeah.
I couldn't do nothing with it.
Yeah.
It's really embarrassing.
Well, we'll get
Say
you
goodbye
back.
to that, because you're going to be in tip-top shape after today. Never again, as long as you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
And as long as you're here, we're here once a month, and you're welcome to come down and have us do this. Most people don't need it every month,
Right.
but
But you got to come once a month.
we're here one Friday night a month. Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
And you feel embarrassed, but I'm telling you, you can't imagine how many people have these same toenails, but you never see them.
Yeah.
So not to worry that it's all, you're the only one in the world with this.
Look at there. That's bad.
We've seen way worse. You can go on her YouTube channel and look and see. We're not lying to you. But you're doing yourself a favor now because your shoes are going to fit better.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It's gonna be-
And then, guys, I tear up socks. When I put them on,
They tear.
they tear
Yeah.
because of the way this...
Well, we'll get. Oh, we got you the new socks
ma'am.
today. Yeah.
They don't
Okay.
last long. Oh, that'd be better.
You'll wake up tonight and you'll say, where'd my feet go? These aren't my feet. These feet are not mine.
Ah! Oh, that hurt.
Sorry.
That one hurt. Oh, God.
All right. We don't have to. do
Yes,
that.
ma'am, that's good.
All right. How long you think you've been growing this?
Oh, wow. About 2 months, 3 months.
Oh, this is more than 2 or 3 months. It's
Oh,
like a year.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Okay. Now, when you get housing and you're not here anymore, there is, you know where the Opportunity Center is?
Opportunity Center.
Chicago and
17th. It's kind of a drop-in center for breakfast and lunch. Are you new to this area?
I never been.
Never been to the Opportunity Center?
Yeah, I have, but it's
Marjorie,
been a while.
I think it's Mary Fry or something, Catholic Charities.
Yeah,
We do feet there
They do foot care there.
they do. Yeah.
every Wednesday. So you can come in.
Opportunity Center. Everyone.
I can give you a card.
Okay, please.
And I'm going to give you a card for her YouTube channel too, and you can
Okay.
see if we're telling you that there's people that have longer nails than you, and it's a fact. We've done them right here even. And you can only do what you can do. If you can't cut them because you either can't bend or see, or you don't have a sharp enough appliance to do it, there's all kinds of reasons you can't do it for yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, that feel better. Yeah, that's the worst one right there.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll take this off in little chunks.
Very hard.
Okay.
So we soak, and then it's a little easier to trim the nails. They're a little softer.
Oh, God, that's better. Really embarrassing.
Don't be embarrassed.
For sure not in front of us.
Yeah. You know, I always figure when you're in a place like this, you got bigger things to worry about. Right? So don't be embarrassed. Alright, so I'm gonna take my sander and we're gonna thin these out for you as well. You get on that toe?
Yep.
Just want to take a little bit more off of these. This instrument, believe it or not, with all this double and triple action in the handle, it's actually a bone cutter. But we got it from somebody who closed his practice, so we just use it for nails. Alright, so
We're coming. It's looking good. You're
Oh,
gonna
yeah.
be so much more comfortable.
Feel better.
yeah, they will. Look at that. They look like real nails now.
Thank you guys.
Well, you're smart to come and see her. Some people just don't come because they're embarrassed,
And yeah,
and you never see them, and then they just live with it.
yeah.
No, I'm happy to do this and make you feel better. That's why we come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Because if not us, who's going to do it?
That's true.
When you're out of here during the day, where do you go? When you're out of this building during the day, where do you go?
Just get up and walk around sometimes.
Outside, just around outside?
Yes, ma'am.
But you have your own room here?
Yeah.
Oh, you do. You live up on the second or the first floor? Or second or third?
The fifth
Oh,
floor.
fifth floor.
Oh, yeah.
So you don't have to go.
No, I'm on Evergreen side.
Oh, you're on the other side.
Yes, ma'am.
We used to have a couple guys that came over from there. Have you been there very long?
Yeah, 3 years. Too long.
Too long?
Always. Better be sleeping in them, what's called them, mission. They act so crazy up in them places. No respect, they don't care.
Is this your hometown?
No, from Florida,
Oh,
Pensacola, Florida.
I was just talking to my son from Florida. He's over the other, Boynton Beach, down by Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, yeah, okay, that's farther down by Miami, yeah. Fort Lauderdale, I've been there.
It's so nice. I love Florida. Oh, okay. All right.
I've never been to Miami in my life, but I've been to Fort Lauderdale. And I was born there. Been so much rain going on down there.
Is there?
I think right now, aren't they having a lot of wildfires too?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Pretty bad.
You still have people there? That you
Yes, I have associates, yeah. I have some there.
You know, there's a big chunk. There's a big chunk there I want to get up.
There you go.
It's flying everywhere.
They just hit the door.
We don't care.
They come and clean up when we're done.
That's it, better already.
Good.
Good better. I can deal with that. I get that card from you. I'm gonna go to that community center, like you said.
You should, because you know, we'll soak your feet,
Yes, ma'am.
and then we will get these, she'll smooth as much as she can, but she doesn't take as much time as we do,
Yes, ma'am.
because we have to see too many people.
Okay.
And we will smooth every little thing and give you a foot massage, couple pairs of socks.
Yes, ma'am.
We're full service over there.
Thank you. Yeah, I get that card. I'll check it out. I will do that.
And you can make an appointment. You can call the number on there, and you can make an appointment so that you can say, I want to come on 10 o'clock on Wednesday.
All right.
And then maybe we won't exactly see you exactly at 10, but at least you know for sure you're going to get in.
Yes, ma'am. That's it.
I think you'll like it. We have 4 providers there on one day. It's very fun.
You get this one a little thinner?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
It's good.
Let's do this one a little thinner.
Okay. You've done a good job. It's better than what they were.
She's a
Definitely.
professional. She's been doing this for years.
So I'll go home a few pounds lighter here.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ladies. I really appreciate that.
It's our pleasure.
Go home and get me a bucket and soak 'em.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, and
Soak 'em.
you want to clean in here
Okay.
a little bit
Up in there,
better.
okay.
Yeah.
That's good. That's perfect.
Look at how nice those look.
Oh,
How nice those look.
Okay. Well,
Now if
great.
somebody sees you in the shower, you're going to feel just perfectly fine.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you for letting us do the video.
Already.